Come test drive the 2006 H3. H3 is the affordable, approachable, people-friendly Hummer. It's the Hummer you can drive anywhere and in any company and not be subjected to rude gestures or inappropriate speculation about the size of your vehicular needs. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, cruise control, tachometer, power steering, engine hour meter, tilt steering wheel, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.